Nababo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Shake It Up for sending us 20 of their products. Grabe, ang dami nito guys. And napakaganda po ng kanilang slogan. Ang sinasabi niya is make happiness a habit, which I am really in agreement, no? Nag-agree po ako doon because after, at the end of the day, we believe happiness is a choice, happiness is a decision. For you to, have a great day, always a great day, is to make happiness your habit. Anyway, okay, they sent us 20 of their products. Siguro po, I can categorize them with their lemonade series, meron din silang mga chocolate series, and then meron tayo sa mga bestsellers nila. So I guess let me start introducing with their lemonade series, no? So we have the first one, of course, the lemonade. Ayan. Next is the lemon ginger. Meron din tayong lemon chia. On my left, meron tayo ditong lemon cucumber. We also have lemon calamansi. And then last one for their lemonade series is honey lemon. Okay, so let me taste lemon calamansi. So since, shake it up sila, let's shake it up first. Shake, 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 shake. Let's shake honey lemon then, no? Let's shake them. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Tingnan muna natin tong lemon calamansi. Okay. You are dealing with two citrus fruit dito. So meron tayong lemon, meron calamansi. So double the sourness, double the freshness, no? Para sa akin, it's a little bit sour. Pero yun nga, kung ikaw yung, that person na naghanap ng ganun lasa, I think you're gonna go for this one, lemon calamansi. Okay, next I'm gonna taste is yung honey lemon. So since na-shake na natin siya kanina, yung next na titikman naman natin guys is yung kanilang mga chocolate and coffee series. I am really interested with, first one is the coffee jelly. Ayan. So let's shake it up. Let's open it up. Wow! So creamy, hindi siya gaanong matamis. Gusto ko yung medyo pagka-bitter nung coffee natin dito. Good job, coffee jelly. You can really compare it with SB, promise. Yaman, ha? Okay, I still gotta taste a few more dun sa mga chocolate and coffee series nila. Taste natin is itong salted caramel. Okay, so yung salted caramel, if you notice guys, yung caramel at the same time meron tayong pearls. Okay, so let's shake it up. Yan, so I think this is well shaken. So, buksan naman natin to. Salted caramel. Wow, it's so milky. Again, I have to commend them. Hindi siya ganun katamis para sa akin. So, hindi overpower yung sweetness ng mga drinks nila. And, yeah, sarap ng salted caramel. From this batch na titikman natin is, let me see. So, meron ditong cookies and cream, double chocolate. Wow! This one, I gotta try this double chocolate. So, let's shake it up. Oh, wow! Meron siyang parang chocolate syrup dito sa wall ng cup natin, ng bottle natin. And then, parang may natikman pa akong chocolate malt, parang ganun. And then, the chocolate, of course, the drink. Oh yeah, so parang may chocolate powder pa siya aside from the chocolate drink and the chocolate syrup. So double the chocolate nga, obviously. Okay, so I think we come to their bestsellers. Let me again mention them. So meron tayong honeydew, creamy strawberry, mango tapioca, ube cream, matcha, and mocha jelly. So I think it's still part ng chocolate and coffee series nila, but we're gonna taste now is yung kanilang mango tapioca. I think again, one of their best sellers. So you have your parang mga mango bits and syrup, then meron din tayong mga tapioca pearls. Okay, again, shake it up. Real mango flavor. Naman ha. can imagine, parang umiinom ng counterpart niya is yung parang pandan salad, but this time it's a mango flavor. I think, you know, you're hitting two birds in one stone. It's a refreshment and at the same time, it's a dessert. Okay, so I'm gonna taste two more, and the last one is the Ube Cream. Again, one of their bestsellers or mga popular products. Sabi niya dito, count memories, not the calories. Makes sense! Wow! That is so native in taste, no? Ube. Most of the time, nako-consume natin ang ube sa mga kakanin, sa mga ube pandesal, and sa mga palaman as jam. But this time, you get it as a refreshment and as a drink. Wow! Good alternative. So, last to taste for this vlog, guys. Again, if you are into healthy and natural, meron po silang mga lemonade series. So, we all know lemonade promotes, you know, antioxidant, helps weight loss, and it's really refreshing for the day, you know. The drink itself is gonna give you a boost. Now, meron din silang mga coffee and chocolate series. Very recommended yung kanilang coffee jelly at saka yung salted caramel. And I really recommend them. And then lastly, yung kanilang mga bestsellers. So, they have these fruit selection. So, again, this is the last bottle that I'm gonna taste. Ito yung tinatawag nilang creamy strawberry. Oh wow, indeed, it is super duper creamy. Gusto ko rin yung fruity taste niya, yung strawberry. And yeah, I gotta say it again, no? Gusto kong i-mention ulit yung sweetness level ng mga juices nila and iba pang mga flavors dito is not that overpowered. Hindi sila ganun kalakas yung sweetness, so hindi ka kagad masusuya kapag kinakain mo to. So guys, if you are looking for a sideline, they are actually looking for you as well. So nagre-resell po sila if you are, you know, from any part of the Philippines. If you want to do business with them, make sure to check out Shake It Up. And again, Shake It Up, thank you so much for being generous with us. Grabe, ang dami po nito. And I'm gonna share this with my family. So I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, keep safe and stay at home. Peace out, bye!